Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Before we start, I want to remind you that my friend Medi an extension that you can use as a YouTuber or to troll your friends. Simply you put the amount of Robux you want and confirm the changes, and if you refresh the page or close the window or the browser or even the computer, the changes will still be there. Not like the inspect in Google Chrome. Make sure to install it. It helps you if you are a YouTuber to hide your Robux enjoy. Alright guys, this is how the effect looks like. It's a nice effect and very easy to make. I will leave a link in the description to download the model. I will also explain if you want to stay in the video. The script that I made, it's very simple and basic, but the effect is nice. Now follow me. We will start by placing the walk part in the replicated storage. Then we place the local script in the starter character scripts. And once you are done, the effect will work. And now let's explain. We started the script by creating the variables we need. For our effect to work, simple, we don't want the whole server to see the effect, so we made it local. That's why we got the local player. After we get the player's character and the parts inside of it, like a left foot, right foot, and the humanoid object. Once we are done with variables, we clone the effects that we put in the replicated storage to place them in the player's foot. Now we check if the player is moving by using the running event. And check if the speed is greater than 5. It means that the player is moving. So we make the effect visible, else we turn it off. In case the player is jumping, we don't want to see the effect. That's why we disable it when the player jump by using the jump event. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe.